Hey, welcome back to Master Guitar Fed. My name is Jörg. Today we're going to continue with our blues progression series. We look at a 12-bar Chicago blues in the key of E. We're going to lay down some really solid rhythm playing using not just chords but doing a lot of fingering and throwing in the odd fill to make it interesting. So let's go have a look. Break down that Chicago blues shuffle. Okay, it starts with that intro. Use the index finger, ring finger, index on the 4th G string and ring finger on the 4th E string. So we hit the G first, then E back up to D. Move one up. One up to the same, and then the last one we'll switch index finger, 1st fret G string, and all we do is we hit the G string and the open E. To finish, okay, open A, 1st fret A, 2nd fret A, and then immediately to B7. Okay, so that's the intro. Then we play an E power chord that we're gonna use some fingering. Okay, so twice, open E. Then 3rd and a hammer on the 4th. Then 2nd fret A. Twice. 4th fret A string. And then the 2nd fret D string. So I keep these barred actually, okay? The 2 here with my index finger. And you can pretty much hit all top 3 strings all the time. Play that 4 times, okay? And use some palm muting. So it sounds chucky. Okay, then we're gonna do the same, just 1 string down. What I like to do, just to get a little bit of a different sound, I will also use my middle finger on the 3rd fret B string, okay? So every so often, so like... Now, next time I'm going to use it. To get a little bit of a different feel. So then we go back to E, do the same thing again. Now we go into the turnaround, B. Same position, same fingerings. This again with use the middle finger on the B string, 5th fret. intro again. So I'm going to play it one more time. 4 times. Twice. Twice. Turn around. And then it starts over again. Okay, another thing I do, probably heard that when I played the demo. Once. Twice. 3 times, and then instead of playing again, I go and then into A. Okay, so I'll play it once so you get the hang of it. Okay, and what we're playing here is B string on the 3rd fret and G string in the 4th fret. So that's basically all there is to it. So backing track is in the description. You can download it, listen to it, play over it to master this little Chicago blues progression with some additional fingering. And of course there's all kinds of other licks you could build into there. But for now we want to sort of keep it simple and get you really comfortable with that. And once you lay that foundation, then you can build on with some different licks that you might incorporate quickly into that progression. I hope you enjoyed that Chicago Blues Shuffle. Have fun with it, and I'll see you soon. Take care.